Mina linda, perigosa.
Oh, Yuzim, what have we got today? Can you give us an introduction?
Today we have this beautiful Huracan Evo converted fully STO in for a Gintani exhaust system. Barang padu, bro.
Nice, nice. So, I think this currently has already done the exhaust system, right?
Yeah,
I'm not
bro.
sure from where.
Not sure, bro, but titanium, bro.
Titanium?
Looks like titanium, bro, but then customer went for Gintani, bro. The best. The best of the best.
Okay, so maybe we can do a startup and see how does the car currently sound like before and after. So we have a side-by-side comparison for the viewers. And yeah, nothing much. It's just the exhaust system. Let's see if we can do it within
3 hours.
1 day.
Less than 1 day, bro.
One full day, 8 hours. Hopefully.
Hopefully, bro.
Yeah, let's see our team.
So, bro, what do you think of the titanium exhaust system, bro?
I think it already sounds great right now. But I mean, it's getting a Gintani, so it should sound better.
Gintani. It's the best, bro. One of the best exhaust system, bro.
Let's go. Let's move on to the
Next task.
installation.
Mina linda, perigosa, rouba meu coração. Vai quicando, vai jogando, não perde a razão. No batidão, só.
Guys, so finally we've done installing Gintani exhaust system for this beautiful Huracan. It sounds really good. As you can see, this is the previous exhaust setup, which is titanium, but still customer wanted the F1 high pitch sound, so that's why he went for Gintani. Thank you Alex, Gintani and the crew for doing a beautiful exhaust system in this world. Check it out.
Oh my, finally, we have another Defender P110. I have finally done with the full Urban widetrack kit. My word, it looks so awesome on how the finishing looks like. Because customer requested there's a full wrap for the PPF, full matte PPF done on the body, and exposure on the widetrack kit is all on the gloss PPF. So it actually makes it looks like pop. And as well as you can see the actual of the contrast because of the matte on the top, on the body, and also the gloss on the kit itself. So on the top band, side band, the wheel arches, all wrapped in PPF, gloss PPF actually. So you can see it looks so stunning on how it came out to become like this. So not only the owner has chosen the Urban full widetrack kit, but it's also opt for our Veleno catback system. As you see over here, a full titanium catback system for the Defender. This is the first in Malaysia, and you look how is it? It's like so damn awesome on how the finishing is, and the sound is great too. Now I'll show you the sound. So the owner is also up with the 22-inch of this full gloss black design. Look how many spokes is this. So actually this is a custom design from Veleno Performance, and you can see it actually looks so matching with the whole Urban kit itself, as you see over here. So it doesn't it really sits in on how the rims look like. It's actually very matching with the full kit. Yeah, so it actually looks very, very nice. Personally, I love it. I love how the outcome is, and I can't wait to see how the owner reacts to this final outcome.